Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video I will show you how to remove your two-factor authentication on your LinkedIn. Hey guys, so in this video I will show you how to disable the two-step verification code on your LinkedIn. So this work on both desktop and also on your phone. So first you want to go to your profile section right here. So on your desktop it's on the upper 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 area. And then go to the settings and privacy. After that, on the left side, you can see a section here and tap in sign in and security. So on the account access, you have a bunch of options here, but at the last one, you have a two-step verification. So mine is already off. So you just want to tap in and then turn off. But mine says that if I'm if I want to turn on my two-step verification, I need to set it up. But if you want to turn it off, you just want to turn off it after you're done setting it up. So that's all on how to remove or disable your two-step verification on your LinkedIn account.